Good day, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our biggest sponsor, MySoul Holdings. Your support has made this incredible trip to the Dubai Sevens tournament possible, and I truly cannot thank you enough. For me, this isn't just a trip. It's a life-changing opportunity to represent our country. It's a chance to learn, to grow, and to gain experiences that will shape my future. None of this would have been possible without your generosity and belief in me. Your willingness to invest in young people like myself is something I deeply admire. It shows that you only believe in what you can achieve today, but also in the potential we hold for tomorrow. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for making this dream a reality. I'm extremely grateful, and I promise to make the most of this opportunity and to make you and South Africa proud. Thank you.